The Mickey Thompson Baja Legend MTZ tire in size 31 10.5 R15 is a mud terrain tire that offers the perfect balance of off-road capability and on-road comfort. If you're looking for a tire that can handle dirt, sand, gravel, and mud while maintaining a smooth and quiet highway ride, this is an excellent option. It's designed for off-road enthusiasts who want a durable, long-lasting tire that provides confident traction in a variety of conditions. This Baja Legend MTZ features an innovative design to deliver versatile mud terrain performance, providing excellent traction both on and off the road. It features an aggressive 4-pitch side-biter design with variable length and depth, which enhances off-road traction, while optimized tread design and geometry help keep the road noise to a minimum for better experience daily driving or on the road on the way to those trails. This tread pattern optimizes grip on those loose and uneven terrain surfaces, ensuring maximum stability when navigating challenging obstacles. These large voids and variable angles in the tread blocks help self-cleaning, allowing mud, dirt, rocks, and debris to clear out efficiently for uninterrupted traction. Also, the angled shoulder tread improves grip when climbing over rocks and other rough terrain. Mickey Thompson has incorporated next-gen rubber compounds and silica reinforced materials, providing excellent wet traction and extending the tread life. The tire's deep, multi-directional treads help maintain performance in wet conditions, making it a well-rounded option for all weather. This tire is constructed with next-gen PowerPly 3-ply sidewalls, which provides added protection against cuts and punctures without sacrificing flexibility. And we all know that sidewall punctures is one of the biggest concerns when you're out there off-roading. The bold and proven MTZ styling tread gives you an aggressive appearance, but also great on and off the road performance. The T4 silica reinforced compound fortifies on-road treadwear, wet performance, and treadwear durability for long-lasting performance. Now, as far as pricing goes on these tires, they're going to come in right around that upper $200 price range per tire, offering a solid value for the long tire life and extra performance benefits you're going to get from these tires on and off the road. All right, that's going to wrap up our review of the Mickey Thompson Baja Legend MTZ mud terrain tire, size 31 10.5 R15s. And for all things off-road, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.